Hello guys, we are back with another video. We are going to cover another topic in JavaScript which is equals. So what I mean, like we will see that differentiate between the double equal to versus triple equal to. Okay guys, so before going further I want to tell you how they what are double equal to, how they are differ to each other. Okay, so double equal to basically checks the value, and whereas the triple equal to check the value with their data type as well. So move to the code. So here we are. So what I will do, let me explain some few examples. So first of all, let's take an example of this 2 double equal to 2. Okay, so you guys thinking this, what will be the output? So according to you, the output will be this just simple an output which will be node, which is true. Basically it is simple, just we are checking the values. Okay, so now what happen if I'm going to add 2.0. Okay, now if I'm going to save it, and now I will if I check what it is showing, it is saying 2.0. Okay, so still even it is saying true. So what happened, okay, so now what happened if I'm going to check the console log, okay, with the empty string which would be equal to empty string. So what do you think guys, what will be the output? Let's check. So see, the output is true because it's just simple, we are just comparing two values of empty string. So if I am going to add triple equal to each of these console, so what do you think guys, what will be happen? Let's check it. So still it is showing true. Okay guys, so now not wasting much time, let's move to another thing. Okay, so what I will do this time, I will just remove this, and instead that I will close this in string and will save it. Now let's check it. Let's see what would be the output. So now you can see it is still true because we are in the double equal to, we just check the value. But now if we move it to triple equal to and just save it, it is saying false. So why it is? Because in triple equal to it compares that data value also. It compares the data type of each value present on the left or the right side, and the right side. Okay, so I hope आप सभी को समझ में आ रहा होगा what is going on behind this in this scene. So now let's take another example. Okay, so let's take an example called obj. So let's take an example of object and const obj1. Okay, and now if I'm going to compare these two objects, okay, so what do you think guys, what will be the output? Let's see. If obj is double equal to obj, so what should we, so what do you guys think, is it true? Let's see. It's true because we didn't, sorry, we didn't edit now. Yeah, so still let's see, maybe it's true, or let's see it is false. So okay, it's false, but the question arises why it is saying false even though the same empty object is present for both the const. The reason is because here we are referring the here object 1 and object 2 have their own reference. Okay, they are not same actually. So but if we want to get a true value, what we can do, just similarly what I did, if we just remove this obj, or basically if we pass this over here, and now if I'm going to console dot and check, Now it's true. So what is happening? Basically, object we are referring on the left side should be equal to the object we are referring to the right hand side as well. And here the reference, due to the reference of the variable, that's the reason that it is showing the false. But now what I did, I just passed the same object value to this object one, and that's the reason it is coming true. So now if I'm going to add a triple equal to, still it will show true. I hope you आप सभी को समझ में आ रहा होगा what is going on. So now let's check another example. Okay, so our another example would be, let's take this console.log, and okay, so let's take example with boolean. So true double equal to 1. Okay, so all we know like 1 means like which is true. So basically if I'm going true console this, it will show us true. Okay, because it is not comparing the data type value. But now if I'm going to add another equal over here, and now if I'm going to console it, you will see the false, because here now we are checking the data type as well, and the data type of 1 is number, integer basically. Okay, and true is the boolean value, and that's the reason it is coming something it is showing false. I hope आप सभी को समझ में आ रहा होगा what is going on. It is what for today's video. Thank you so much.